Welcome on this tutorial on how to manage exams on S3. Before you take any exam, it is important to remember to enroll to the exam on S3. Enter your personal S3 profile with your UniTrento credentials. These are the same credentials you use for all UniTrento web services. Once in, please select your current study course. Then enter the menu on the right. Starting from your record book, in which are displayed all courses you are enrolled in, you can immediately visualize if there are open sessions to enroll to the final exam. If it appears a pencil icon, then the session is open, otherwise the session is still closed. Let's go in the menu and select Exam Sessions. In there, you can see all the exams you can currently enroll to. Please select the exam session you're interested in. Then enter and simply click Register for the exam. Now your registration is complete. To check everything is okay, you can enter your reservation notice board. In here you can see when the exam will take place, both date and hour, the exam type, the room where the exam will be done if in person, and the date you see here is when you have made your reservation. If you change your mind, you can decide to cancel your reservation. Click in this case on the bin icon. The reservation is now cancelled. If you are requested to make intermediate tests before the final exam, there is a specific tab in the menu to enroll in the intermediate test. It works just as the other one. You select the test and then click Register. Also in this case, you can cancel your reservation from the Reservation Notice Board tab. Enter it, and then again select the intermediate test you want to cancel. Once exam results are published, you need to visualize and accept the grade or reject it if you're not satisfied with the final grade. Open the exam results notice board. Then select the exam for which a grade has been published. Here you have your final grade. In this case, you can either accept or reject the final grade. Please consider that you have a deadline to accept or reject the mark. Once you've made your decision, in this case to accept, please select Confirm. You see now a green mark confirming you have accepted the grade. Now, let's visualize an intermediate test result. In this case, there is no acceptance or rejection, but you can only visualize the mark. Finally, there are some exams for which you need only to visualize the final mark and express a decision only if you want to reject it. As you can see here, there is only the Reject Result option. You have to click it to reject the mark, or if you want to accept the result, you just need to click on Confirm. Once you do it, you can see there is no green mark as instead for the exam above. If you have visualized the grade without rejecting it, then it will be automatically registered on your final transcript. This is valid for all exams marked as Silenzio Assenso.